forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel.
Respect on about 4 more manners. So we got manners and prayers.
4 more manners, yes.
Give thanks to life.
So guys, it's Sunday today. Happy Sunday, people. Probably by the time you see this vlog, it won't be Sunday. But it's Sunday, it's our day off today. So we're just going to spend, a little Sunday afternoon out. We're going to Konoko Falls in Ocho Rios. Guys, let me tell you, you know, say we used to live, a few years ago, we used to live right next door to Konoko Falls. Isn't it?
I never go up there.
Right next door, and we never went. Never. I didn't even know nothing about Konoko Falls until I moved up there. But we live right next door and never went. And now we don't live there again. And we're going to visit. But you know how it goes. Sometimes you live so close to something you never take advantage of it. But we're going to go up there today. So it'll be good to see what's up there. I know there's a falls and some other bits, but I think it's also good to just experience something different from the norm. Everybody knows about Duns River Falls, you know, Duns River. But there are so many other falls and
a lot of hidden places that you guys don't even know of.
Yeah, a lot of people don't know
about. We're planning on taking you there.
Yeah, so I'm looking forward to it. So Konoko Falls. So yeah, let's see. Okay guys, so this is the drive up to Konoko Falls. It's in Shore Park, if you know where Shore Park Gardens is, or the direction to Shore Park Gardens in Ocho Rios, just past Ocho Rios High School. So we used to live up here, guys. We used to drive up here. So you see the sign to Konoko Falls over there. We used to drive this drive every day to come from home and to home. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Beautiful forestry.
Yeah, so nice.
Green.
Yeah.
The place green, people.
Yeah, this is one thing I did enjoy about living up here. Driving through this every day, it was really nice.
Very cool.
Yeah. Guys, right over there. Right there, that's where we used to live. Yeah, so this is the way to Konoko Falls. So we used to live quite close.
Yeah, just across from Konoko Falls entrance.
Yeah. And we never went up there, but we're here today, so. Okay, it looks very enchanted, doesn't it? Like really tall trees.
It is.
And then here we go. Oh my god. People can see this. Iguana. Oh right. They're big, isn't it? Oh goodness. You wanna touch them?
Why?
Why not? Look at their people. Look at that. Yeah, but I wasn't you.
Me?
Yeah.
You have that?
What? The bird?
You feel that?
No, I can't manage that.
You can't manage.
No, sir. So guys, I'm letting Outlaw know he has to go and hold the birds. I'm not doing it because I'm afraid like that.
No old bird people, we just shoot them.
But hello,
Get an old bird, I shoot man, pick them.
Okay, but this is not the type of shooting bird, so you're gonna hold the bird.
Slingshot, nice things for cook and soup.
You're hearing people. Oh wow. Okay.
So you know if you step off too? Very easy.
It's not for me, it's not for me.
See if you want a bird, you can put pan at me.
No babe, please. You're not doing it.
Are you?
Babe, can you hear this? We're having
It's a female thing.
people. No, it's not.
A man bird that.
So? Who told you that? People can hear this.
Yes, a female
I'm
bird.
telling him he's got to hold the bird because I'm afraid. Watch it, watch it, watch it. Babe, please hold it. People, what do you think? You think he should hold the bird? Go on, go on.
Go.
Oh, God.
Next, doesn't matter who next.
Yeah, go on. Yeah. Hold it. I'm scared.
Really and truly.
Really
Come in, Rasta. I see that. What? Come on, I show them something about that. Show bird.
You can't do it now. You have to go over there and do it.
Okay, so I'm gonna put it on your shoulder.
How easy it is?
On the other side.
You got to pull off the mask and put off the mask.
Okay.
That's you. They don't look at the bird.
I can't do that.
What?
Afraid. If you're afraid.
I'm not shoot bird big man. We don't ramp bird.
Alright, nice. Now, you understand the side, mommy? Baby, come
We can't take him nowhere. See him? You know what he said? We can't take him nowhere, you know.
People.
We can't take it. Alright, enough. What's this now?
Snake.
Jamaican boa. Oh yeah, can you see that thing called the snake? Look at that big.
Boy, parrot there. Yellow big
Where is
parrot.
it? Oh yeah, parrot up there. Yellow bird. It's really nice in here. The grounds are really nice and very green and lush. Yeah. Ball plate dove. These ones you used to shoot, babe, the ball plate.
And the ball plate, that's.
Ball plate dove, it says. Ball plate dove.
A barber dove, that.
You telling
You
me?
understand that? A barber dove, you know the man. Nothing but ball plate.
That's what it says. People say it says bald plate on the thing. Look here, people. This says bald plate dove. Yeah, you see them there? Can you see them?
That's not ball plate, though. That's a barber. That's a ball plate, you know.
Oh, that's a ball plate.
That's a ball plate, no.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, see the ball plate here?
Yeah. Oh, okay. My
white
bad.
head.
My bad. So this one is what do you call it?
Barber dove.
And you used to shoot these two.
No, barber dove is somewhere you raise them in your yard, so you don't shoot them.
Okay.
Them like a pet.
Okay.
Ball plate now, you can shoot them in a bush.
Oh.
You take them, make soup.
So that again, you did what?
Shoot ball plate in a bush. A little bit and I come up, have
Yeah.
a slingshot,
Yeah.
shoot ball plate and take them, make soup.
What you say?
Bird soup or something there. That's why I never go to the bird all over because I shoot
But that's
to
a
shoot
parrot.
bird.
That's a parrot.
I shoot them too. Make soup.
So that people that have animals in here, which is good as well. Olive-throated parakeet.
Them the one they see up and down the place, I eat ackee and something there.
Oh.
Them one there. Oh,
Turtle. Tortoise actually. Tortoise and turtles are different. There. What's in here now?
Ain't what I want to close. Turtle man.
Oh, okay. Oh, look there. The one swimming there.
Yeah, good old turkey.
Yeah. And guys, I must say, you know, the price is very reasonable. If you're local, we paid $1,500 local rate. If you're a foreigner, you pay I think $20 US. There's a crocodile in here. Babe, crocodile. Oh my Jesus. People can see this.
Where crop then?
My gosh, how big that is.
1 year Jamaica, 1 year. Nope. Why you can't smell them?
People look how big that is. Is it sleeping? Is it sleeping?
Yeah, I'm alright, man.
Oh, dear.
That's something on the sleep, man.
No, it looks like it's sleeping. Can you...
Croc!
Wait, stop it.
Why one croc?
Can you see these people?
Come here, sir. Come here, sir.
It must be... It looks like it's
Come here, sir.
sleeping. Well fed and watered.
Come here.
See there?
Come here, croc. Come here.
Wow. Okay, come. Let's keep it moving. So you got like a little picnic area here and stuff, which is nice. The kids can come.
Kids playground.
Yeah. Very nice. And then as you come down, you come like, what's this like little eatery part?
Yeah. Get together and get some
A
more.
lot of trees and stuff. It's nice in here, people. Yeah. Good first impression. Bar. I'm buying drinks, ice cream and all these things. Yeah. Nice day out with the family, especially on a Sunday. And apparently you can have things like weddings here, you can have events, you can hire it out. Maybe over here, this little part here, you can probably have functions in here. Yeah. Yeah, so this part can be reserved. And you can have like fun. But look at the views. So here is a little plot you can rent out.
People like a party and
Yeah. But guys, look at this view. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at this. Beautiful, man. Look over there. That's where the water. Oh my gosh, you can see the water over there. Falls. I don't know if you can see. Running right down. Nice. You can walk up there. I'm not sure if I'm going to make it up there, but...
you walk people can walk on.
Oh yes. You can walk over there. Over there you can walk down. Oh, just look at the view, people. Look how Jamaica's nice and beautiful. So beautiful. Guys, let me just say something. I was so terrified with that parrot on my hand. The grip is that tight, you know, on my wrist.
Like you put on a watch.
But this one says not doing it, so what can I do?
It's so hard to believe.
So, quite a few steps to go down. But really nice along the way. And in front there, you can see water. So I think you can join it from different parts, right?
Yeah.
So the first part that you come down, you can join the falls from here. You can sit right here. Yeah, right here you can touch it. All the way up. So you can catch it from here. If you want to start it from further down, you can go further down.
Go. It's green and pretty, my people. Konoko Falls, yes. Sure. Nothing wrong with it. Look at her, baby. Look at her feet. That's Lisa. Yeah, there. Those are nice people. My God. That's my wife. Yeah, massage. That's a massage. It's a massage. Going up? Okay. Good. Let me can't go over the same. So that's enough for space.
In there. I'm not sure it's going to go much further because, yeah. In there, people. What do you say? Yeah. Yeah. How lovely, how beautiful is this, people? How nice. Yeah. Guys, if you're brave enough to start from down here and go up there, kudos to you. I'm not sure I could do it. Not that I wouldn't try though. What? He's braving it, going up. Can you see him? Can you see those people? Guys, in here they've got different types of trees. You see pimento tree here.
You know, pimento you got the spice.
Pimento. You got cannon. Oh my, look at that.
Bird.
Did you hear that, people? Hello. Hello. Say it again.
Hello.
Guys, did you hear that? Hello. I'm so fun. The bird said hello.
Hello.
Hello. Birdie.
Hello.
When we was looking at the cannon, the bird said hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Did you hear that? You must have heard that. Hello. Oh, look,
Real
people.
Dutch pot.
Small, isn't it? Look at this.
That's a real Dutch pot.
Wow.
Lizard cooking.
Yeah. Free Wi-Fi.
Oh, see something there? You burn them?
Oh.
What's it in? What can I say? What can I say? Oh, okay.
So they've got
One bird, man.
guys, look at this. All these birds.
Here's the body.
Budgies. You see, loads of them. And in here they've got what's called koi fish. Oh my gosh, look guys. Yeah. Big fish. What's up? Large up, turn up, stay up, live up, way up. You're good. You're yam, enough like, enough respect.
God, William Garden.
Okay.
Yeah. All these people are heroes.
National heroes.
And then
Yeah.
dead. So we not play hero nowadays.
So this is called the Jamaica corner. So you have aloe vera in here, leaf of life, spirit weed, dandelion,
Dandelion there.
cannabis,
Wait, let me see the
sativa.
weed. Almost the cannabis.
So what's this one?
Dandelion.
Dandelion. Guys, which one can you see? Maybe you guys can see them.
The leaf of life. Aloe vera. Where?
I feel like the weed
That
is
is-
not
that is,
going to be close by. This?
Yeah, that's what it is. Fever grass.
Okay. Oh yeah, see, fever grass here.
Mm.
Fever grass. Fever grass.
Yeah, that's it.
This is in the museum. Outside. Let's go and have a look in. So in here,
Greater.
greater. Look at this cassava grinder. 1800. Wow. So look at people.
3 foot back there.
Cooking pots
My mother used to do the iron, the carpet clothes to go to school.
from England, it says.
One of them iron there.
19th century.
Yes.
Oh, I remember this iron. My grandma's got one of these.
Yeah.
Clothes
That is
iron.
iron, the carpet clothes to go to school, that iron.
What's this? Native crayfish
Yeah.
from the Koiba River in
Yeah.
Ocho Rios. Yeah. They're in a little glass display. So what's in this one now? We have
Yeah. Mix,
mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle. Serving bowl.
What name down there? Rich
Cedar.
people, Rich people.
10th and 19th century.
What's up there? Rich people are around us up there.
In here.
Yeah, back in the day.
And let's see what's over here.
This is
Maraca.
something like a jar of string. You spin. You have some bead inside a round from the round.
What's this? 1/2 penny coin. Jamaica 1834. English and Jamaican coins. Wine bottle, late 18th century.
Yeah, way back.
Yeah. And then, I'm not sure what this is. Relic of Freedom. Okay, look. Relic of Freedom, broken shackle, cast off at Mohai Shore Park, Ocho Rios, 18th century. Wow. Relic of Freedom. Wild hog tusk. And then here they just have like some information about history, some of the birds.
This used to guide the ship the name time there. Compass.
Ah.
That used to take on them about.
Okay.
Yeah, and the water that carry them to the destination. To the hero them, you know.
Then they have some information. Post-emancipation, Jamaica, 1838 to 1962. And then you've got the national heroes here. Guys, can you name all of the heroes? Yeah. There's a little museum here, they've got this. A man trap. Guys, look at this.
A what?
Man trap. Set me
Yeah,
in
man, that used to sit in a bush.
Yeah.
To catch when you walk around the place. Yeah, the man, you know, the...
Oh, this part of slavery as well.
Yeah, when this clamp your foot in them.
Yeah.
God go with you. When the foot in that clamp your foot, son.
Oh boy.
You know what's get back your foot?
Look at people.
Yeah, the free from them up there now, beautiful.
Look at this.
Babylon released the train.
Human slave chain.
See the people?
Are we,
Babylon released the chain, but they might use them brain.
that's it. I'm about to say we might be physically free, but are we mentally? Look at that. And just imagine, right? Human slave chain. Boy. Okay, so we have some famous sons of St. Anarchy. Marcus Mosiah Garvey. And then Robert Nesta Marley. Some information. There's a few things in here, people. It's interesting. Rum dispenser, spoons and dish. And then some pictures. Stone, what's this? Stone mortar, metate, arawak.
Yeah, specialized tool that's funny time.
To grind corn, meat and vegetables. Wow.
English capture.
The English captured Jamaica. And a bit of Spanish.
Nah, these things.
Information on the arawaks.
So that now, I didn't boy that, we don't do them thing one time there. Chuku that, bongo that, I ain't them natural. Them cheer them, we know them cheer them one time there. So you know the thing about.
Okay. So yeah, guys, there's a little museum, bit of history in here. Yeah.
Yes, my people, just left out, just leave Konoko Falls a while ago, make a little drive in the area. So we have a whole of places in the area where you should know about or we can show you. This is another one. So when the ship come in and the people them go on tour, we carry the people, the driver them carry them up here's the first thing. Yes, when you're doing like an island tour, they come up as the first thing and then look over, look around. That's the name of the place, but when you go down there you can see the stone better when you go down flat. But here is where we carry them, here we call it up as a lookout.
Lookout, and guys, you soon see why they call it lookout.
Yeah.
Look at
so
this.
Look over there, and that's what we're talking about.
Look at this. Can you see?
That is Moon Palace Hotel over there, so.
Yeah.
And that is the beach, port side, the whole works. Come around, yes, the beach. So this is a main attraction for tourists. The park right here and then go across, music playing all about the place.
You can buy a drink over there.
Buy a drink and such.
Nice.
And the whole works.
Yeah.
It's all about a nice little thing.
Yeah.
Brap. Manas. That's Ocho Rios.
Yeah. So can you see, guys, all of that?
Yes. When you go up here, you can see the whole of Ocho Rios.
Isn't it nice to just come here, drive here with a view, go stop there at the bar, buy a drink, sit down, chill out, relax.
Yeah.
And just take in this beautiful view. Look out. This is right next to Konoko Falls in Ocho Rios Shore Park.
And we still have more places that we haven't shown you.
Yeah.
But we're taking the true of you.
So I'm sure some people know, some of you may not know, but look at this, guys.
That's the whole part of it.
Look at that.
Yeah. That big building over there is Moon Palace.
Moon Palace, yeah. Formerly Jamaica Grand. It used to be Jamaica Grand back in the day, but now Moon Palace. Yeah. Right next to Konoko Falls this is.
Yes. And there are still more places around near to Konoko Falls that we still haven't shown you guys.
Yeah.
But this is all part of it, people.
Beautiful. I can see Turtle Towers down there. Good
Yeah,
to see,
those
lovely.
doors, yeah. Waterworks.
And you can walk, and you can walk down here, can't you?
Yeah,
On
you
this
can walk,
greenery.
yeah, you can walk right around and
I
do
can
the
see
whole
some
thing.
chairs over there. You can sit down there. So you can explore all of this land, walk
Yeah, so that's
around.
the port road. That's where the boat them come in and things.
Yeah, the ships were
Come up
there.
on the ship there.
Yeah,
Tour
where they
ship and
put.
thing.
Yeah,
The whole part of it.
beautiful.
Yeah, my people, you know, so we not left nothing, people. And up at this area, Lady Gaga have a house up here.
Yeah.
Anita Baker owns a house up here too. And another boxer from America own a house up here too.
Wow.
Yeah, real thing, people. Me telling you the real thing. This is the real thing me telling you about. Those big stars have places around here.
So we're just coming out now, guys.
Going back down the road.
So, do you know, like I said, guys, we lived, I'm going to show you where we live again, just as we come out, but we live right next door to all of this, and we didn't know.
True.
Right next door, we lived right next door. We didn't, I didn't know about Lookout, I didn't know about, never been to Konoko Falls, and we live right next door. Now we don't live in the area anymore, and
That's when we start the tour.
that's when we start to tour, right? Can you believe it? Yeah. So this is on our way out. And guys, if you ever see how close the house is that we live to, this is crazy.
Who just walk up to Konoko Falls and walk come around
Yeah.
here from where we was living.
Right? So we just left Lookout.
See, this is where we was living.
And we lived right here, people.
Right here we used to live.
Guys, we used to live right here.
Right here.
We lived in here, this house here. We lived there.
Yeah.
And look how close to Konoko Falls it is.
Yeah, Konoko Falls is right there.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.